white SUV.
Get in, Gavin.
Looks like this guy in the green car is trying to help.
We tried to pull in front of him and he was...
Oh, he's got a gun.
And oh my god, that, yeah,
oh wait,
he has
sorry,
a gun.
take a turn around.
Oh my god. I ain't turning around now. That bitch has a gun.
Yeah, I ain't going on.
Hey, go down that street, bend over, has a gun.
Yeah.
Why would we go down that street?
It looked like a big gun, too.
I know what's gonna fucking happen. It's an
Which
SUV.
SUV and the other one, too.
Right here. Oh
Whoa.
That definitely wasn't initiation.
Stop, stop,
I have
stop.
that on recording.
I came around the corner and I seen below.
Really? Where do you get those explosive sets?
Initiation right there.
Let's go kill him. You just killed our officer.
I know it. I know.
We just got IED'd.
Now you got shit on. There's a difference.
He shoot on sight.
I thought it was an ammo.
He's a terrorist.
I didn't even, the market didn't
In the
even
middle
appear
of
for
the
me.
fucking road before when it just barely reset it. Yep. Oh my god.
That's like the third best he's done.
Yeah, he put one right in gas.
Are we gonna get that guy running around naked? We're just gonna leave him.
You guys okay over there?
You guys got shit on. That's all I know.
Yeah.
It was
That
pretty
wasn't-
funny.
Okay, well, you know, I wasn't expecting to get RDM by in a moderator.
Admin.
Well, I am.
Yeah, what do you expect?
Every day.
Every day they got suicide vests, you know.
I want to find Ben's house and read it.
Do it.
I know
I
where
already told
Johnson's
him
is.
once. Give him a ticket.
Wait,
A
how'd
10K.
you initiated on
Restraining.
Kenpachi? How did you initiate on Kenpachi?
Right here on our right.
I don't know.
He's behind.
Oh, Ben, I was like, what was that RDM? And then he's like, no, it wasn't.
We didn't
so
initiate. We put lights and sirens and tried to pull in front of him and stop him, and he just freaking kept running. It was over.
What's wrong?
Found Ben. I found him.
What did I do? Explain.
Did you have to do that on TeamSpeak and in-game?
I didn't mean to. Hey, we found, whatchamacallit.
Bend
Come
over
to
now.
us.
Why are you
Come
so
to
quiet
us.
about it?
'Cause
Not like they
he's-
didn't hear
because
you.
I was in direct chat and I was trying to get out of freaking chat. You're right here with us right now.
I was bringing down a PD.
I wonder where that smoke's coming from.
Wow.
I
I
don't
don't want to be
know.
a passenger. We got
I
him
wonder
in
why
the
that
car.
guy's bleeding.
Whoop.
We got him in the car. Let's go. We need an escort.
Here, let me go impound his car over here.
We're already here, fam. We got this.
Get it, Gavin. Get it before they do.
So how do y'all know it was
Why are
me
your
since it's a
sirens
remote
on?
triggered device?
Oh my god, car in front of me. I
You
was trying
flicked
to
yours on and told me to go back to PD with you, so go back to PD.
Do we have maps back at the base?
We have GPSs.
Yeah, GPSs, yeah.
We can buy them from our vendor.
Jimmy, you
I
can
did not
handle
put
this
bombs
since
in
you're
Yeah,
already
they're under the
handling
weapons.
this in the car.
But bombs are remotely triggered. How do you know this is good?
Who was that?
I don't drive civilian cars.
Saying they're remotely triggered.
What the fuck
Why
was
would
that?
you think
Me?
it's me?
Stopped in the fucking middle of the road. On my screen. I'd rather not rear-end you.
Jimmy,
Yeah.
handle this bastard. You're
Oh,
hilarious.
yeah, I got him.
This bitch is gonna get run over again.
There's no moderator privileges around me.
Hey, you seen him walk into me.
Yeah.
Stop.
Okay, man.
Those are...
I did it
Oh,
again.
the fucking guy is pissing me
These
off.
cars don't stop.
Yeah, these cars do not stop, not even on emergency brake. He has a gun.
Where?
Ben, the one getting escorted into the fucking PD. The one that blew your ass to smithers.
Tell him you're taking his communications. And
Jimmy.
GPS.
Did he really get die?
What?
My ass is lethal too when I fart. I actually should probably go back there and help. Oh my god, really?
Yo, that is some bullshit. He placed a satchel while he was restrained.
Sparky.
Record it and fucking send it to